Hello and welcome to Name Investors. In this episode I'm going to show you how to go about the portfolio page and how to set up a brochure, sell the domain, set the buy now price, set the lease price, which portfolio the domain belongs in, set the category and which shop the domains can belong in, because you can actually set a domain into multiple shops. So this is my portfolio page. As you can see, you can make domains. You simply go to the brochure section, which is brochure attached, the menu, scroll down to where there's a plus sign and click on add brochure. I then click add, select yes on this particular domain, and the brochure is created. And to view the brochure you simply click the same location, and now there's like a red PDF icon. So I just click load brochure, and as you can see, the brochure is created on this domain. Very simple, very straightforward, and you can actually edit the brochure from that same location. So by editing the brochure you can click on more info, and then you click on edit brochure on the domain. You fill in the details, so these are the keywords. You fill in the exact searches which you get from Google AdWords, the broad search and the cost per click. Fill in the rest of the details that are relevant to the schematics of the domain. You can select a main image other than what's already available. So this is what's in the business directory, but you can actually upload your own. And then you can actually point the domain to ns1.nameinvestorsdns.com and ns2.nameinvestorsdns.com, and this will allow the domain, which I can highlight here, to actually show the internal landing page. So that is the brochure section for the portfolio. Now I do want to sell the domain, so I selected a tick on the sell option, and in my buy now price, let's say I want to sell this domain for $5,000, so I just click that selection, type of 5,000 and click the tick box button. Under lease section you can actually do the same. So let's say I want to lease it for $250, just type in 250 and click the tick, and it belongs to my portfolio, and that's the only portfolio that I have available, which is my domains. But if you have multiple portfolios, you can just select a different portfolio it belongs in. You just select the tick box and it will set it. And the category, at the moment I have it under business, but I can also have it, let's say, under advertising and marketing. I can have it under electronics, and maybe a third one I can have as news and information. And then I click update categories. Then it basically tells you that I've got 4 categories that I've actually selected, and the last thing that I need to do is to put it into a shop. Now the default shop is my main shop that I have selected, which is Domain Brokers Philippines. I can have it under Epic Domains, which is like a featured domain, a large feature, and I can also add it to my new shop, which is the most recent shop that I've created recently. I can have it show on our home page and then click update tags. So now this allows my domain that I have selected here to appear in 4 different categories under 4 different shops that I actually have, which is your main shop plus the other 3 shops plus 4 features. So Epic Domains, the new shop, and Domain Brokers Philippines. So this then allows you to load up epicdomains.com. It'll have it featured on there. My new shop.com, if that was the URL for that domain, it will be featured there, and domainbrokersphilippines.com, it'll be listed on there because I've selected featured here. And that's it for the portfolio section. You can monetize the sales of the domains, as I said, with the buy now and the lease, and you can actually also edit every single domain by selecting the top checkbox, and it selects every domain, and you can mass remove domains, mass add category, mass change portfolio, mass update price, which I will do now, and I'm going to change that to, let's say, $6,000. Click the tick box, and there you go, it updates everything. $6,000, and let's say I want to lease all the domains, so I click update lease price, and I'm going to type in $200. Click OK, and this lease now changes it to $200. That's it, pretty straightforward. Thank you very much for your time.